Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar. Channel is amazing to be in the kitchen to giving you favorite recipes and ideas. First thing I want to say, I have some melon. This is some red melon and yellow melon and cantaloupe. I'm gonna pop everything inside of this right here. These are some melon which I already cut up from earlier. Nice one. Then I'm gonna put a few strawberry in it. Bringing a lovely flavor. I love strawberry. And you guys should know that Chef Ricardo loves strawberry. I'm gonna put a few blueberry inside of it like this. Nice one. Love it. Nice. So next thing, I'm going to squeeze a little bit of honey, not too much, a little bit of water, and just blend this about 4 minutes. Nice and lovely. And this is so good. Smells really lovely. Nice and lovely. So that's part one. Now we're gonna go to part two now. All right. Nice and lovely. So now we're gonna do a different juice. This one going to be fresh strawberry and milk. So we're putting some strawberry inside of this ninja blender right here. I love strawberry. On towards Valentine, I have a few strawberry left over by making Valentine recipe. So I have a few of the strawberry them left over. Alright guys, so basically I definitely have to use them up to do things. And this is the way it goes in the kitchen. Alright, so as you can see exactly what I've been doing right here. So we're gonna do strawberry and blueberry with some milk. But the thing is, I love my milk and I love my strawberry. And all I need to do is this. Simple, very easy and simple. Pour some milk inside of it like this. You don't even need to put anything else in it now, because I'm just leave it natural like that. And then next gonna get a glass and we're going to blend this about 4 seconds. Alright, and then that's it. and lovely. And that is finished. That smells lovely. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. That is amazing. So tell me what to think about my recipe. Very simple and very easy recipe to make at home. And this is from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas will be coming out for the fans. As you can see, this one is just a very simple little recipe from Chef Ricardo today, guys, and I know you guys definitely will love this one. Hopefully we can come with the best and better in the future as we goes along, as you can see. So please enjoy it and please subscribe and leave your comments below, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Anyway, very easy and simple recipe, this one. As you can see, I'm already started. So first of all, I must say to you, I have some blueberry inside of my blender right here, and I'm gonna do a blueberry and ripe banana and milk. Very easy smoothie, and I know you guys can do this one at home. Alright, now we're going to put some milk inside of it like this. I love my milk, that's how I normally do it. I will be blending this about 4 to 5 seconds. Nice one. Very smoothie and simple. Nice. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, lovely. Thank you so much for watching my show. As you can see, that's the way our Chef Ricardo normally do it in the kitchen when I'm making certain kind of juice. Alright guys, I will see you next time, and hopefully this will be a benefit for you as it can goes along. I will see you next time. Bye bye.